Hello everyone. There's been a massive flood right over here, and I've cleared it before. If you remember, the school's right over there,
Sebastian
and
School.
it's even bigger than last time. So we're gonna walk this now. I remember seeing it clogged a few days ago. Someone had clogged it, but then they put the leaves right back, so then it clogged again. So I'm here to properly unclog it. I hope the water's not too deep. To see the water's going down now. I'm not even in the right spot. Oh yeah, it's going down. I can start to see the water going down. Oh, I see a whirlpool.
That's a massive flood. Make, make sure you scoop the stuff out of there.
Oh, it's right here. I found it.
That's the school right here.
It's much bigger than last time, I can tell. It's also a lot deeper.
Do you see anything?
No.
Keep going. You gotta scoop the stuff out.
I am. Oh, lots of leaves. I know I'm getting somewhere.
There's a lot of leaves there. Yeah, you can't just move the stuff around. You gotta scoop.
There's a lot of leaves on
Try
the
to scoop the stuff onto the grass. Yeah, it's flooding the whole street.
Oh, I've got it. I can start to see a little whirlpool right there. What's going on? A lot of this water's coming from over there. As you can see.
Oh yes, the tennis court.
Yeah.
There's a lot of water in the tennis
I've
court.
got it going. Whirlpool.
Oh yes.
Need to clear it a little bit more. And I know I've got it in the correct location.
You gotta move the debris out of there. You just basically brushed it aside and then it's gonna wash it right back in.
Whoa. I'm gonna clear some more off. I can definitely see there's still some more. Big whirlpool. Oh,
Yeah, now you got it.
the water's dropping. I think there's some more over there.
The drainage is actually pretty good, right?
Yeah, it all empties.
Because it's draining the water really fast. Oh,
It's all going down.
the water is almost all gone. We only been here for 4 minutes and the water is almost all gone now. There's still quite a bit.
But the water's down a bit.
But you know the waters have a constant stream coming down from the tennis court.
And it's almost all gone. You can start to see the street now.
Yeah. That's really good, buddy.
All the way up there.
Yeah.
That's completely gone. Almost. This was pretty deep. Oh, lots of the leaves still in there.
Yeah, get the leaves out of there.
Yeah, I'll wait for the water to go away first.
Yeah, it's all gone. Look at that. That's pretty good. That's pretty good.
Oh, all the leaves are getting stuck here now. Look at that. All water.
Okay, see if you can scrape the stuff and put it on the grass so it doesn't fall back
Yeah,
into
waiting
the.
for the water to go away from, so it's easier. Not much pressure.
Oh, what a beautiful day.
Oh. There we go.
Okay, it's done. Yeah, look at that.
There we go. Oh, there's the water from the tennis court. It's coming right
Yeah.
over here.
Yeah, you're gonna have a constant stream going in. Okay, that's really good.
Just need to clear the court out of the equipment.
Okay, say bye to the people watching this video.